MV Agusta takes the naked concept to an extreme with Rush. This unique bike raises the bar in terms of design and performance. Never has a naked boasted such an elevated style and finish. And with the included kit, features and performance become even more thrilling. An inline 4 with radial valves and titanium connecting rods. The Rush engine is the state-of-the-art in motorcycle engineering. Unleashing 208 horses at 13,000 revolutions per minute, the inline 4-cylinder engine is completed by a splendid 4-output exhaust that enhances the aggressive and unmistakable sound. The bewitching, groundbreaking hypernaked, the only production bike with radial valves and titanium connecting rods. The design choices highlight the uniqueness of the idea behind the Rush, a bike meant for those who are not afraid to stand out of the crowd with out-of-the-ordinary details, such as the lenticular rear wheel, typical of acceleration races. Thanks to the mirroring function, the 5.5 TFT color instrument panel can be used as a turn-by-turn navigation system. Every function can be quickly accessed and navigated via the joystick on the left block. And the MV Ride app connects in a heartbeat so you can share your routes and personalize your bike. MV Agusta has developed controls aimed at performance, non-invasive and capable of exploiting all the acceleration Rush can produce. For example, the FLC wheelie control doesn't cut it abruptly, but rather controls it with a balanced and easily controllable response. The ABS uses a Continental MK100 module with cornering function that ensures maximum control even with the bike leaned into a turn. There are many details that characterize the Rush, from the light clusters, both specially designed, to the rear frame and the passenger seat, created for this model. The headlight is the evolution of that of the famous RV's number 1. Another distinctive element is the design of the two tailpipes, which characterizes the rear axle. With a top speed of over 300 km per hour, the Rush 1000 imposes its pace also thanks to the impressive performance of a replica MotoGP. Thanks to its launch control system and traction control, it takes no prisoners when it comes to acceleration, its true talent, and can stand up to the meanest superbikes.